Hi, Davis. So I just wanted to make this video for you. I thought maybe this might be a little easier to understand. I will also accompany a tutorial readout along with this video, so you can actually kind of look at the paper and look at this video at the same time. I'm using Screen-O-Matic, which I really like. It's a free download from the internet, so you can actually capture anything on the screen, and you have a little camera caption down here at the bottom right. So that's kind of a nice feature. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to post grades for first quarter. So you probably have been accumulating all of your assignments since the last time I saw you, and you have them all in a row. So you're going to come into SIS, and you're going to go into the course that you want to post from. You're going to go to Gradebook up there in the menu, and you're going to go to Gradebook Main. So I'll just show you. You probably, this is just my training site, but you probably have a lot of different assignments all in a row here to the right. So what you've accumulated over the last 8 weeks. So what we're going to do is we're going to, whenever your post date is, you're going to go ahead and post your grades. We don't use the word exported anymore. We use post. So what I want to make sure is that up here in the upper left hand corner, you want to make sure that you are on the class or a course that you want to export from, and also you should be on first quarter, okay, not first quarter interims. So if you have been checking both your interim and your first quarter grading period, you should see I can toggle back and forth from interim here, back and forth, and so you can see that I'm seeing the same assignments both on interim and on first quarter. Okay, so that's what you want to make sure. To double check all this, what you can do is the first thing you got to do before we post is I want you to come down to assignments right here on the pull down, and this will these are two tabs here. Make sure you're on the right course up here, the right classes here, the right grading period should be first quarter. You can, if you've got 30 assignments, you can toggle but anywhere between 10 and 50, and it will show you all your assignments in this particular page. I only have 2, but if you had 30, you would show all 30. So make sure that all your assignments are here, that you're showing them, and they have the right score type, they have the right category, if they're assignments, test, whatever, and that you have your values there. Maximum value, since you're on raw score, should be the same as your possible points. Both are face value there. So let's come over here to the left, and you're going to go on to grading periods, and this will show you if you have clicked both the interim, first quarter interim, and first quarter grading periods. So all of your assignments should have both of these columns selected before you post. Okay, if you need to make some editing adjustments, this is where you can actually click those check boxes, make sure that both of them are showing. After you've done that, I want you to go ahead and save this. Okay, and then that's going to update your assignments and grading periods. Okay, so now we're ready to go back to Gradebook Main again, and just take a look at everything. Make sure you look at the grades here on the left side. Here's all your students there, and so on and so on. So now what we're going to do is we're ready to post our grades, and we're going to go to Report Card menu up on the top, and we're going to go to Students. In this particular, you can see on this particular page, you see on the left side column, well, up on here on the top, you see the actual course name there, and a majority of you guys only have 2 courses, and show only postable grading periods. Okay, so this will be first quarter. So on the left side column, all of those check boxes should be checked with a post. The student name will be the next column. The grade level of that student will be the next column, and the grade that that student will get for first quarter. It'll go all the way down. Okay. If you have any NAs here, it's not a good thing to have any NAs. We need to give that student, and I'll show you that in a minute, we need to give that student an incomplete, or we give that student nothing if they're brand new. But you need to have some kind of a symbol here, not an NA. If you can avoid an NA, that would be the best thing for that. The next step you're going to go to is you're going to edit. It's a little link right up here in the blue area, and it's called Edit Final Grades and Comments. Now, when we go into this page, this is where you're going to see all of the behavior comments on the right-hand side, and we've got a lot of them. Okay, and over here to the left, make sure that you've got the right class up there on top left. And here is a student. Here is their percentage average for the first quarter. Here is their grade. If the student has an NA, you can come over here to final grade column, and you can either fill in an I for incomplete. No mark would be better if they're brand new and there's just no grade for that particular quarter. It's best to put either an NM or an I in that category. So you can actually force in, to replace an NA over here, you can force in some kind of symbol. The next 5 columns are behavior comments. If you want to leave a behavior comment, you can look over here to get the code A through R, and it shows you different behavior comments that you might want to give that student. Remember that there is a post button here on the upper right, but we do not, I repeat, we do not post from this window. You got to go back to your report card, which is the upper left here. Go back, and this is the only window that we can post grades from. So notice there's a little button up here that says post, and you're going to select that button, and you should get an alert that says all grades were posted successfully. If you get that alert up there, then Joan will receive your grades. Like I said, I'm going to be around once I get the date that you have to export or post your grades. I'm going to try to be around Davis to help anybody. But I hope this video tutorial is helpful. And like I said, I'm going to also post a paper version for you to look at. Okay, thank you. This is fun. Bye-bye.